Hello everyone, welcome to the April 2018 Happy Mail haul video. These were all of the things that were sent to my P.O. box in the month of April. So let's just kind of get right into it here. So April's theme was coffee / Mother's Day. This first card, no name, no return address, completely anonymous. So it's just this, got this Tim Holtz little bird. The early bird can have the worm. I'll see you around noonish with a latte. I love you more than coffee, but please don't make me prove it. I've got that one. And then I've got this one from Gina in Denmark. So several of you, especially my international ones, you know, Denmark and Australia and etc., sending cards for multiple months. I talked about that in last month's Happy Mail haul, which will be linked at the end of this one. And yeah, I'm totally okay with that because they're small packages. They're easy for me to put in my container. And then having them marked with which month they're for just makes things easier. So I'm all for, you know, conserving some money in mailing and whatnot. So I really like this. First coffee and then happy birthday. I like that. I like that sentiment. That really works. And a little coffee cup stamped on the inside. So cute. Very cute. So I have that. And then I have this one from Haley in Australia. So we've got envelope. Ooh, this one. I used gilding flakes on this one. Oh, pretty. Oh, I like. So yeah, double-sided tape, and then you rub the gilding flakes into that. That's fun. I still haven't done that. I've made such a mess with gilding flakes, just trying to experiment with them. But, oh, this makes me want to play with them. So pretty. So pretty. That. And then I have these ones from Lori. These gorgeous, like, custom envelopes. So, oh my gosh. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? That's so pretty. All that dimension is just wow. And then yeah, the image is heat embossed in white on the envelope. I like that, the white on white. It's subtle, but I like it. So that one. And then this one. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Yeah, you could totally like just die cut a couple circles and like make a coffee cup that way. This is gorgeous. Again, this is all die cuts. There's a bunch of dimension in that to this. Love you a latte. I know this is a lawn fawn with dye. I've done videos on that. So you can insert a gift card into there. And then custom envelopes. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. That. And then this one from Kevin. And I had to include the envelope because the wax seal, I don't know if you can tell, it's a K. I'm obsessed with wax seals. I think they're just so cool. I still haven't got one, but I'm so tempted. It's so neat. I couldn't open, like I didn't want to break the wax seal when I opened the envelope. So yeah, I love it. I don't know what it is. There's something cool about it. So there's that. And then I love this rainbow of coffee images. I'm pretty sure this is the Ulta set that I'm sitting out. I still need to like use it. So yeah, like that a lot. Really like that. So thank you, Kevin. That's gorgeous. So we've got that one. And then we've got this one from Miranda. We have one from March because this didn't get here in time, which I'm totally okay with. And then this one is sealed. So this one is for April. Okay. They're so big. Oh, they go so nicely together though, regardless. So this is the March one. You light up my life every day. I really like how just flat that is. And then there's like texture added to the wings. That's really cool. That's really cool. I've got that one. And then this one for April is gorgeous. This is with love. Really neat. I like how the floral images are stamped like in silhouette, just in black, and then it just makes the background pop. That's really fun. It makes me almost think of Northern Lights in a way. Really fun. So that one. And then this one from Hope. So we've got this like really pretty flowers on the envelope, and then her awesome cross stitching, and she does the actual cross stitching, you know, on fabric. I've been cross stitching on cardstock. I've done actual cross stitching, but it's something I haven't done in a really long time. But I really like her cross stitch patterns. They're so nice. It's so much work. So really fabulous. This is really fun. So yeah, love. So that one. And then this one was from Isabel. She was actually, this wasn't part of the like Happy Mail haul. She was one of the winners of just one of my random giveaways and sent me a thank you card. So thank you for the thank you card. I have a sentiment in one of my sets that says that, which is just funny. But yeah, I recognize this MFT set. It's just fun. So really cute. So thank you. I like hearing from people when they've won that you know, it's arrived, etc. Because sometimes you just never know. So, and this one, again, I kept the envelope because I'm still amazed that this showed up. This was from Australia. And I am amazed that this butterfly made it through the mail. Like, it's attached with foam tape and all the way from Australia, and it's still attached. You know, the Canada Post can't deliver things from my, you know, Simon Says packages sometimes in a timely manner, but this can get here from Australia with a butterfly attached. So pretty. This is the Simon Says. This was for the April card kit. And that's also what I'm waiting on. They did do a coordinating set of dies for the set. I had so many people asking me about that. So yeah, really fun. Using the April card kit. She sent a letter and she was asking about my favorite non-sticky, I think that's what it was, non-sticky glue. Best craft glues that's not sticky. That I assume you mean when it dries, because glue. And I've said this in a lot of videos. I am really liking so many. The Nuvo Smooth Precision Glue Pen I've been using. I've been really enjoying that. I have my multi-medium matte. Awesome. Collage medium by, yeah, and I just have it in here, but it's by Ranger. If I remember, I'll link to everything. Collage medium is really good. And then my other couple that I'm really liking, or I have 3 other ones. Oh my god, I have so much liquid glue now. Oh, here we go. So yeah, Distress Collage medium. This is great. Gina K Connect Glue. Awesome. Tonic's Nuvo Deluxe Adhesive. Love. And then finally Simon's Craft Tacky Glue. Every single one of these adhesives, when it's dry, it's not tacky or sticky afterwards. I will do a liquid adhesive comparison video of some sort. I had one filmed a couple months ago, like in depth. I'd done the whole video, and that was one of the ones that I lost the footage on when my laptop crashed. So I need to refilm it, and I hate repeating myself. So yeah, like that's kind of a pain, but all of these glues are great. And the only reason I have so many and shows many is it just gives people options, because especially when you're international, certain brands are very difficult to get, etc. So it's like, well, if you can't get such and such, well, maybe you can get this one, or, you know. So these are all great glues. They're great. I really like them. I've been using them, you know, I switch between them and they all work really well, and I'm really happy with them. So I think in that mix, people should be able to hopefully find something that works for them. So that was that. And then this one is from Haley. It was all nicely labeled. So we have this fun little card and envelope, which is pattern paper, and this cute little Mother's Day sticker. Really cute. So that one. And then last but not least is this little package from Joanna in Poland. Pretty sure. Yes, Poland. So same thing. She sent multiples. Like, and they're all labeled, and they were even packaged separately, which is really thoughtful. So it just, again, makes my life a little bit easier. Ooh, I really like that little paper clip. Isn't that cute? So this one for April. It has actual coffee beans on it. That's cool. So yeah. Oh, and there's like glossy accents on the paper. Really neat. Very like kind of antique-y is what I would say. I like the idea of having them in these instead of just regular envelopes. It's really cute. So that one. And then there's this little package. I always tell you guys don't need to send little gifts with these cute little buttons. These are really cute. Little owls and cute little like monsters. Little love monsters. Those are really cute. And I'm not sure what this is. Oh, some neat little like charms. Oh, cute. They say made with love. Oh, those are really cute. So we got a bunch of them that say made with love. I really like those. And then a cute little princess and then a cute little cat. Very adorable. Thank you. Like, gifts are never necessary at all. At all. These are neat. I don't wanna lose any. Okay, get them in there. Those are really cute. Okay, so those little charms and little buttons. And then last but certainly not least is this one. This is also from Joanna in Poland. This one's for Mother's Day. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. Isn't that gorgeous? So yeah, and these are all like Polish brands she'd said in her letter, like the papers and everything. That is really, really dimension on this is just... I'm always stunned by things like this. This is so not my forte for card making, but I'm always stunned by things like that. This is gorgeous, so thank you. Gorgeous. So, as always, thank you all so much for taking the time out of your day to send in cards for the Happy Mail haul. I really appreciate it. I love the little notes and whatnot. I always read everything from you guys. And like I always mention, there is a link below the video to, I have a blog post, I have info on like the themes and everything that I'm not a big stickler about. And because sometimes some of the stuff can take a really long time to get to me. So we have all of the themes and info and etc, etc, etc. And I'm always so appreciative of people taking the time to make things specifically and, you know, send them in and package them so nicely and just all of it. It blows me away. You guys are so amazingly talented. It's just fabulous. So that is the April Happy Mail haul. The ones that sent extras and whatnot for, you know, next month's and etc. I have them, obviously. So I will have them in the packages and whatnot, and I'll, you know, pull them out for May, etc. for each month. So that's awesome. And yeah, those that are watching, if you have questions or, you know, want to leave some love for people, do that in the comment section below the video there. You know, if you have questions about products or techniques or whatever, or just want to say nice things to everyone that's made these, please do. I know they get to read that and it really makes their day. So I love seeing the love from everyone. I think that's super awesome. So just leave that down below, and thank you all so much for watching and subscribing and thumbs upping and commenting on my videos. I really appreciate it. And I will see you all very soon in the next one.